I like pink and I like blue. Pink, pink, pink. Blue, blue, blue. Everything I like is pink, and everything I like is blue.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Why is studying so hard? And what in the world is happening next door? Barbie!
Sorry, Sam. He has been crying forever. I've tried everything, but nothing works.
Wait, this stuff is broken. No wonder the baby's upset.
Oh, but I don't have anything else. Only this old broken baby chair. Sounds like a new craft to me. Keep it cool, Barbie.
That's right. You don't need to worry. We can make everything your baby might need.
We'd better start with something that will help calm down the baby.
Check it out, Sue. These are made according to my special slime technology.
Awesome, Sammy! We can use them as the handles for this bottle. It's for the formula. They say babies calm down with it. Especially when they are hungry. Here we go. Very well. But only one bottle is definitely not enough. And here's the bottle cap.
Wow. Sue, how come you know so much about babies?
I used to babysit once or twice. That's brilliant. Let's make more bottles. Well done, Barbie. It's an excellent find. Friends, always be careful with scissors.
And here's what I found. An innovative way to store beads. Wait, is that a pimple?
Don't worry, Sammy. It's not. But it is something we can use for this craft. See? And just like that, we have 2 more bottles.
Holy cannoli! I can't believe it! My clever idea has just saved our craft!
Absolutely. How about one more bottle? Just like this. And we're done. It's dinner time for the baby.
I'm sure he loves it. Let's get going, friends!
The baby definitely needs a brand new pacifier. I'm sure Barbie doesn't have this yet.
Don't forget about this one, Sue! I saw something like this in a storybook once.
Sure. Thanks, Sammy. Now we need another version of that ring. Any ideas?
How about a kind of ring you can actually eat?
We'll save these for later. One for breakfast, one for lunch, and one for dinner.
They're awesome, Sue! What's the next thing on our list? Hey, Sue! I think something is wrong with the baby! He sort of smells strange. Let's give him a bath!
I thought the same. This will be the base. Now, we need 4 legs. A bathtub for the baby should be sturdy and safe. Oh, and warm, too! Check out what I've got here. Can it be pretty as well? I've got some lace over here. Great idea, Barbie!
Oh, I want to help too! I'll make the essentials! Just give me a sec!
Good job, Sammy! Now our little one can take a bath and stay clean, clean, clean! It's time to change the diaper. But first, we need to make one. Watch closely how it's done. Now we need to make a few folds and a few cuts. And done. Ever changed a diaper, Sammy?
Nah. And I don't want to. I'd rather stick to the crafting.
Here we go. Perfect! The baby is all set and we can continue. This time, let's make a stroller so Barbie can easily take her baby to the playground. Sammy, where did you go? Don't you want to help?
You had some nerve to challenge me! Haha! Do you even know how to play this game? Hey, hold on a second! What? No way! Oh my feta! I can't believe it! I lost! To the baby! Oh, I was totally going for that popsicle all day! Huh? Is this for me? Yay! Okay, I admit it. He's a nice kid.
Sammy, where are you? I almost finished with the stroller. And look, it can fit 2 babies at a time.
That's great, but what if Barbie's baby says, "No roommates today, thank you"?
Then we'll make another one, just for him. It's actually pretty easy to make. Watch closely. Here comes a piece of my old sock. And some pretty fancy wheels. Well, little buddy, what do you say? Feels comfy, doesn't it? Have some rest, and we'll keep going. Next up, a cozy place for the baby to eat. It's like a chair and a table at once. There we go. What do you say, Barbie? Do you like it? Oh, love it. But can we transform this into a baby walker? Of course we can. We only need to adjust this a little bit. Nice. This smaller lid is just the right size. A piece of fabric to make the seat. And we can put the baby walker together.
Shiver me cheddars! It's Incredible Zoo! Okay, the next craft is on me! Behold, everybody! You are about to witness a master in action! Voila!
Awesome! But this way, it looks even better.
If I hadn't made the base, you'd have nothing to decorate!
Haha, that's true! So, this will be the baby's bassinet. With this handle, it's very convenient to carry a sleeping baby.
This box can do the same thing! Look! No bassinet needed.
Ahem.
Hey!
This box, as you call it, belongs to the baby too.
Fine, but honestly, I could sleep all day in it. I'm telling ya! That's how soft and cozy it is!
Excuse me, Mr. Slime, but this bedding is for babies only. A few more lovely details, and one more craft is done. Sammy, could you find some pink fabric for me, please?
Sure thing, Susie. You know I'm a pro in finding things. Phew, it was extremely hard, but I did it, Sue.
Sammy, you're out of breath. What happened?
You won't believe this. Barbie has a secret room in her house.
Really? So you got this from that room?
Yes! It's all pink inside. You know what else is pink? The one who took my fabric.
Huh? Sammy? Since when do you have a twin?
What are you talking about? That's not my twin. He doesn't look like me at all. You are gonna pay me for that piece of fabric. Who are you?
While Sammy is busy, I'll make one more stroller for the baby. This time, it is light blue.
Sorry for taking your stuff, sir. Here, it's for your inconvenience. It's tasty. What? I didn't ask for this. Although, it does look yummy. Phew, all clear. How didn't I notice that guy in that pink room?
Barbie must have a fun story about that. Now, help me with this organizer, would you? I think the best place for it is to hang on the wall in the baby's room.
Ha! I can get it up on the wall in no time. See? Moreover, I can make something pretty awesome in a jiffy. Done!
Wow, Sammy, that's great! I didn't even think of making a changing table. Hey guys, I can't find my baby anywhere.
We can play one more game. Hey, come on, Sue. We haven't finished our thing yet.
Sorry, Sammy, but Barbie has something else planned. And I'm almost finished with the playmat.
Barbie, please. Let us play for a little longer.
Sorry, maybe next time?
Oh.
Sammy, don't be upset. I will play with you, I promise. Only after we're done with the crafts, okay? This is where the baby will play with his toys. And here are the vitamins for Barbie. Doctor's orders. This will be another playpen! It turned out so cute! You're safe here, little one.
Hold up! I've got an idea. Let's make the cutest baby hat ever. What do you say?
I'm way ahead of you. Well, I think now Barbie and the baby are all set.
Really? Yippee!
Oh, sweetie, you don't cry anymore, do you? Sweet dreams. Sleep tight, baby. Guys, thank you so much. What would I do without you?
No problem, Barbie. We are your friends after all. Aw, he's even more adorable when he's sleeping.
Well, that's it for today. Like and subscribe if you loved this video.
Hold up for a second. You still haven't paid for that pink fabric. You owe me cat coins. Ah, Sue, run!
This is a pig language dictionary, a gift from the porcine royals years ago. Maybe it will help.
Thank you, Countess. We're going to need all the help we can get. Lady Fiona, Truman, Sir Kitty Cat, let's go look for clues. Countess Elizabeth.
Say no more, Princess. I'll stay here in case any other victims of pig transformation turn up. Oh, and keep the castle from complete and total ruin. No, pigs. Those pillows are crushed velvet. Oh.
We'll start by searching the pirate penguin's boat. Maybe we'll find a clue.
Hold on. The last ones on this boat became pigs. Are we sure we want to go on board?
How can you say that? Think of our dear friend Ferdinand Frog.
Good point. He's a pig now, too. I'll just be going now.
No one's turning us into pigs, I hope. Princess Billy, maybe we should go back.
We need to find out who is turning our friends into pigs.
Too bad they can't talk.
Maybe if we follow them, we'll find out who's behind all this.
Great idea. Let's go.
Lady Fiona, promise me if I turn into a pig, you won't let me wallow in the mud. You know how much I hate mud. Promise?
I promise. But wait, if you're a pig, I'll probably be a pig too. Kicking up my hooves for no good reason. Sir Kitty Cat, promise you won't let that happen.
I might be a little busy scraping mud off my fur.
Did you hear that?
Everyone stay behind me.
No argument here.
Scorch!
He wants to turn me into a pig!
Who needs a great big...
The leprechaun is nuts! Run!
Princess Billy, you see what happens? You take something that's precious to me, I take something that's precious to you.
What's he talking about?
Now you've had a taste of my vengeance. You'd better give me my house back.
Seriously, this leprechaun is nuts.
You guys, shush.
Ah!
Oh no, not again! Lady Fiona, I failed you.
I'm giving you 3 hours to give me my house back, or I'll turn everyone into a pig. Huh.
I don't know how or why this leprechaun's house has disappeared, but we've got to find it.
And fast, before he turns Machiki into a kingdom of pigs.
Or we could run away from the lunatic leprechaun and start another non-pig kingdom. Far away from here, right?
Oh, wait, the only person who can help us is Ed the Wizard.
Huh? Hey, wait! Don't leave me here all by myself! Wait!
I'm sorry, Your Highness, but I have no idea where his house could be. Leprechauns are very secretive creatures who hardly ever show themselves, let alone their houses.
You were my last hope, Ed. So what are we going to do?
Yes, what? Besides drink all the milk we can while we can.
Did you ask the leprechaun why he thinks you have stolen his house?
No, it's true. We didn't ask why.
More pigs!
The leprechaun must be nearby. Come on. Excuse me, Mr. Leprechaun?
Princess, no! Don't speak to the scary leprechaun!
What?
Why do you think I stole your house?
Because I saw it. Your carriage. I saw it speeding off right when my house disappeared. Watch this.
That's not Billy's carriage. That's the twin princess's carriage. See?
I think a certain crazy leprechaun owes us a great big apology. I'm sure you're sorry on the inside.
Stop it, please! Please, come with us and we'll find your house together. My carriage is just over there. I'll show you. It's not the same one. Fabulous! How do I look? Fabulous. Me? Don't bother to answer. I already know. Once again, the kingdom is in grave danger because of you two, and you don't even care. La 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 la, I can't hear you. Never mind, no one can spoil our good mood today, not even you, Princess Doom and Gloom.
Do you even know what's happening out there?
No, and we don't care. We found this amazing giant bottle of perfume in the forest.
My house! You shouldn't have taken something that doesn't belong to you.
We're sorry. Don't turn us into...
Oh, dear house, I never thought I'd get you back.
You have to forgive the twin princesses. They didn't mean it. Sometimes they do things without thinking.
Mr. Leprechaun, will you please turn our friends and the other people of the kingdom back to their usual selves?
I'll turn your friends back, but these two will have to wait a while.
We can live with that.
Oh, won't you please calm down? Oh, not the royal garden. Watch the geraniums.
Oh, let me try, Countess. Oinkly, oinklet.
You're wasting your time. Whatever language you speak, those two never listen to anything. We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like the Magicy.
It's never a good idea to take something that doesn't belong to you.
You have to tell Dad the truth. I think they're right. Yeah, besides we're terrible at sewing. A pig probably wouldn't even wear our dresses.